Okay, from swapping rooms, we are still faced with all of this. Oh my gosh. So what I need to do is move the rest of Boston's stuff into his room. And then he's got all his bags of toys. He decluttered a lot when he did this process, but I'm gonna go through his toys with him after school, and I'm hoping that we can get rid of some more. I'm gonna move this stuff into his room and create a system for him that won't be so overwhelming.
Reaching for the ground while we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy wiggles, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales.
To unload the dishwasher. I am working in my food storage room. So let me show you the before. Yeah, I know. In our basement is our food room. This is where we keep the bulk of everything. When I menu plan, this is where I go. I shop sales. I have all the canned goods for all the recipes that I use. So everything gets used, recycled through. And a lot of our like kitchen things that I don't have room for upstairs land in here, so it can get kind of crazy. But I'm de-junking, getting rid of some things, and the food is all good. I go through this quite a bit. I do have a video of a full tour of this room. Just click on the link below, or the eye in the sky. So I did some case lot sales, and I'm just getting those things on the shelf, organizing a bit. So I'm gonna get rid of some things, donate some things, mainly kitchen gadget stuff, but the food is all good. I've checked the expiration dates and I'm cycling through it perfectly. Woohoo! You can see the floor. Feels good. Now, I wish I had a light that worked out here, but the light just blew out. So I'm trying to get the rest of the food here. I've been donating, throwing over there. There's some donate here. That bag's garbage, so I just gotta get the rest. Okay, this is the last of the food that I need to put away. There's some pastas, some ramen, honey, ketchup, and a lot of stuff for freezer meals that are coming up. In fact, I might just keep those in the bucket. I think I'm gonna keep this bucket here to transfer things up. But my apron does amazing when you fill it up. Okay, I'm all done with the food. That is for freezer meals, so I'm just gonna keep it there and I'll work on freezer meals later this week. Sorted and cleaned and organized and dejunked. Well, actually, I think I might donate that right there. So other than that, we're good to go. This room is all done. Yay!